Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're like me, tired of the endless cycle of repetitive tasks and constantly struggling to keep up with routine maintenance, then you're in the right place. Today marks a fresh start. In 2025, I've decided to wipe out all my VMs and rebuild my home lab from the ground up. The very first step in this new setup? Deploying an Ansible server to automate system management. In this quick demo, I'll walk you through how Ansible streamlines the process of configuring and managing your servers without the hassle of installing extra software on each node. Just rely on SSH for Linux/Unix or WinRM for Windows. And to sweeten the deal, I'll be sharing my playbooks on GitHub as templates, so you can adapt them for your own projects. So, let's dive in and explore how Ansible can help you automate repetitive tasks, orchestrate complex deployments, and ultimately reclaim your valuable time. Stick around, and feel free to drop your thoughts, feedback, or suggestions in the comments below. Hey everyone, in this quick segment, I'll show you how to set up an Ansible server on Ubuntu 24. First off, open your terminal and update your package list. Next, we'll install Ansible along with sshpass for handling password-based SSH authentication. Ansible uses an inventory file to manage your hosts. We'll create an inventory folder and a hosts file to group our Ubuntu servers. To avoid SSH key verification issues, we'll temporarily disable host key checking and test connectivity with a simple ping. A successful ping will return a pong along with some system facts. The commands are on my website for easy copy and paste. Finally, we'll create our first playbooks. One playbook will update and clean up your Ubuntu servers, and another will update Ubuntu while installing and managing the QEMU Guest Agent. These playbooks ensure your systems stay up to date and well maintained with minimal manual intervention. And as a bonus, I'll introduce 2 extra playbooks, one for granting passwordless sudo access to the system user, another for automating SSH key distribution across your hosts, making secure, passwordless access a breeze. Each of these steps is designed to streamline your server management, enhance security, and boost efficiency. So let's dive in and transform those repetitive tasks into seamless automation with Ansible on Ubuntu 24.